Let's face it, we are all getting older, but that doesn't mean we have to break the bank buying expensive anti-aging creams and wrinkle treatments. If you're looking for some simple homemade anti-aging skincare recipes, you've arrived at the right place. My name is Israel Mensah-Gota, and you know what? It's Good Living Ghana. Time seems to be flying by these days, and the fine lines and wrinkles popping up remind me that I'm not getting any younger. It's tough some days to look in the mirror and see an older, more wrinkled version staring right back at me. Anti-wrinkle creams and serums can be pretty pricey, but what if you could make your own for a small portion of the price? You'll be all about it, right? I know this is just an extra added bonus paired up with the fact that I'm not adding a bunch of chemicals to my face. I want to share with you a simple but special anti-aging cream you can prepare immediately. This will make you look young. You need 1 cup of organic coconut oil, 3 teaspoons of shea butter, 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil, 15 to 20 drops of lavender and frankincense essential oil. Alright, so we are going to prepare our anti-aging cream. Now, melt the organic coconut oil and shea butter on low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes in a pot. Then bring it out. Add vitamin E oil, add your jojoba oil, and then mix them together for 2 minutes. Add lavender and frankincense essential oil. Mix together and pour into a container. Allow it to cool for some minutes. This is your anti-aging cream. Apply it to your face twice daily and rinse after 30 minutes.